Happy Wednesday, friends. Today is December 16th, 2020. So you are going to write the date in number corner at the top of your paper. Next to number 1, we are going to write about the calendar. I pull up today's calendar, I see a game, a boxed game. So you could either say board game box or game box. So when we look at number 1, we are writing a blank is a blank. So a game box is a, and then you're going to tell me what shape you see. I would also love you to draw a picture of your favorite game that you like to play with your family in a box. So what game, so draw the game box of the game that you enjoy playing the most with your family. And then you're going to write a game box is a, and then tell me the shape of that box. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 2, today's clock that you are going to make is going to be 5 o'clock p.m. So you're going to draw a clock that shows 5 o'clock p.m. I want you to think about what you and your family do at 5 o'clock p.m. Tell me what you do at 5 o'clock p.m. And feel free to draw a picture of that activity. Press pause if you need more time for number 2 with your clock. Next to number 3, we are looking at the number of days we've been in school. So as of yesterday, we were in school for 56 days. Now we've been in school for one more day, which is 57. One more than 56 is 57. So for number 3, you are going to represent the number 57. You are going to write an addition equation that equals 57, a subtraction equation that equals 57, tally marks to show 57, coins that have a value of 57 cents, and the 10 sticks and 1 blocks to show 57. Press pause if you need more time to complete number 3. For number 4, you will be writing your numbers counting backwards, starting at 101. Start at 101 and count backwards to 76. Have a wonderful day, friends.